Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a private profile on BeReal application. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and download BeReal application on your phone. If you don't have it, of course, you can do that through Play Store if you have an Android, App Store if you have an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my BeReal application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this steps tutorial or this tutorial steps. So let me just tell you about first the concept of this application. This application of course lets you like take one or post one daily post. Of course, this post contain an instant picture or one picture, of course, with your back and front camera at the same time. So let me just go here to discovery to let you see actually the people, what are people, sorry, like maybe, sorry, posting. So as you can see here, people are actually posting pictures or posts, one with their back camera and one with their front camera, of course, as you can see here. So of course you have the option of deleting your post if you didn't like it, but this option is available once a day as well. So if you want actually to make your private profile, after like posting your profile or your picture, you'd like to disable the option of posting at discovery. So if you didn't post it at discovery, and if you, of course, if you have friends on BeReal, your friends will be the only one who will be able to see your posts, and not all everybody will be able to see your post. So that's actually the only way to make your profile private, because like we don't have the option here and other like in other social media to make like your profile public or private, because you don't post on your profile, and the posts are actually just like stories for 24 hours and they got deleted. So if you want to actually make your like profile private, just post your posts on like friends section and not discovery section, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.